Hello, happy family. Welcome once again to OBAAPA'S kitchen. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I made my simple and easiest Ghanaian smoked herrings or ɛmane. This recipe is so easy and I believe you want to learn. So come and let's start cooking. To make this recipe, friends, you need fresh sardines. You can get this from your fish market or even seafood market. That is where I got mine from. This is so easy recipe, friends. I cannot believe it. I know this fish is very expensive, especially when you buy it and then, from the market, it can cost you a lot of money. But if you decided to make it at home, it's less money. It tastes really fresh and I really love it. And with this, I can use it for all my cooking, soups, stews. This is the best recipe, okay? And I know that after this video, you will learn how to make your own homemade ɛmane or smoked herrings. So after we wash it, I'm going to add in here some vinegar. I like to soak my fish in the vinegar for just 5 minutes. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn our oven on. So we are going to use this to grill the fish. So I'm going to turn into 350 degrees. That is what I'm going to use to grill this fish. So it has been 5 good minutes so far. So I'm going to rinse this fish, and I have to rinse it really well because I don't want the taste of the vinegar. Yeah, so make sure that you rinse your fish very nice. And as you can tell, it is looking really fresh and clean. I like that. This is the best way to clean your fish. And because you have to smoke this fish, so you don't have to do a lot of work to it, because that is how authentic, Ghanaian smoked fish is. So next, I added in here some sea salt, and next I'm gonna mix them really well. I am so happy to make this recipe because I'm thinking about making Shito, and this is the perfect recipe for me. So next, I have my baking tray ready, and I don't want to get this baking tray messy, so I'm gonna place in aluminum foil. And this way it will clean, help prevent all the messiness that is going to come along the way. And I have here my rack, and with this you can get some from Walmart. It is so affordable and it's easily to find. Let's go ahead and place all your fish on this rack. Because it is a lot of fish, so I'm going to divide this into 2, and then I'm going to place it in a different rack. So since our fire is nice and hot, we're going to get it ready and then smoke it very soon. Yes, I tried to find this fish on the market, and then I cannot believe the price. This is very expensive fish, especially when it is smoked already. They charge a lot, so I decided to make this at home. And with this, it costs less money, your friends. Imagine say oko thought you already are smoking dadana. It's so expensive, a lot of money, you don't want to waste money for nothing. So I'm just gonna encourage you to make this recipe at home. Alright friends, so this recipe, like I said, you can make it at home when you have free time. It is so easy. You don't waste your time, your energy and money and then buy it from the store. Homemade is always good. It tastes very nice and fresh. So we're going to leave it in the oven for 2 hours. So it has been 1 hour so far, and the smell is just amazing. You can easily smell that you are just smoking this fish. You can just smell it right away. So next I'm going to flip it around, just to bake the other side. That is what I'm doing right now. But I'm turning it over, na me bake side by side. So the be kama or na smoke it nicely. That is the secret behind it. So just go ahead and get it ready, and then after that we are going to place it back in the oven for another 1 good hour using the same heat to smoke this fish. As you can tell, it is beginning to trend, right? Just like your favorite homemade ɛmane from your local markets or store. This is so easy. I'm so happy because this recipe is a joy. So it has been 2 hours so far, and as you can see, I let it cool down, and I have my fish ready. It is looking just like authentic Ghana ɛmane. So easy, stress-free, taste really fresh and kasa. So with this recipe, if you want to use it for shito, I'm going to recommend that you just leave it on to dry, you know, for just 4 to 5 days, and that way it will be completely dry, so you can use it for your shito recipe. But if you are making some stew or soup, you can just, you know, remove the scale and then just get it cleaned and then use it for your soup or stews. So thank you so much for watching. This is the easiest, simplest way to make smoked herrings, and I believe that you want to try this recipe at home. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful. Thank you for loving and sharing this recipe. Bye bye.